morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the internal organs, brain, heart, stomach, kidneys, liver and the bones. Right? In the starting of the chapter, even I explained you that organs, they group together to form the organ system. I have given you some examples also, like digestive system is there, right? Respiratory system is there, circulatory system is there. So out of that, we are going to study today the respiratory system. The respiratory system, it consists of the group of organ. This system actually, it helps us to breathe. So we are breathing with the help of the respiratory system only. Now the organs which are the part of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe and a pair of lungs. Let us study the respiratory system. Firstly, when we breathe in, the air which we breathe in is going through the nose. In the nose we are having the hairs. This hair actually it filters the air. It removes the dust present in the air. So these tiny hairs present inside the nose, they filter the air which we breathe in. Thus they prevent the dust and also the germs from entering our lungs. Even the mucus, sticky substance present in the nose, it also traps, that is it also captures, it also filters the dust and the germs. Thus mucus and the tiny hairs present in the nose, they are very helpful in filtering the air. Now, when we are breathing, we are having the two processes going on. If we are breathing in the air, that is, we are taking in the air through our nose, then it is called as inhalation. While if we are breathing out the air, then the process is called as exhalation, right? So inhalation, it is the process of breathing in air, that is we are taking in the air, right? जिसे हम हिंदी में सांस लेना भी बोल सकते हैं, right? और exhalation, that is we are breathing out the air, that is we are taking out the air, यानी सांस छोड़ना, right? So that is the exhalation. So we studied exhalation and inhalation. I told you that the air is filtered by the hairs and the mucus present inside the nose. After passing through the nose, the air, it passes through the windpipe. Windpipe, after passing through the windpipe, it enters the lung. Now lungs are very important organs. They are located inside the chest cavity, one on each side of the chest cavity. That is, in our chest cavity, inside our chest cavity, one lung we are having on the left side, another on the right side, right? So a pair of lungs we are having inside the chest cavity. Now inside the lungs, the process of respiration going on is the oxygen, which is a important gas, that is a useful gas present in the air. This oxygen gas we are inhaling. By the inhaled air, it is being absorbed. Absorbed means it is being taken by the lungs, while the carbon dioxide, which is a bad gas present in the air, which we are exhaling, means which we are taking out, it is actually removed out, it is thrown out from the lungs. Thus the air which we breathe it will be having more oxygen, while the air which we are breathing out, that is the air which we are taking out, will be having more carbon dioxide. So this is how the respiration process occurs in our body. So here this video is showing the process of the breathing, that is the respiration process. Here you can see the lungs in the chest cavity. The lungs present in the chest cavity. These are the lungs present in the chest cavity. It is showing the left lung. Now this one is the windpipe. The whole pipe which you are able to see is the windpipe. Now you can see the air is going inside through the nostrils. Nostril are the two holes in the nose. Now it is the air going through the air which we are breathing in with the through the windpipe. It is going inside the lungs. Inside the lungs, the oxygen will be taken in while the carbon dioxide will be taken out. Here you can see the air will be going out. Now students, here you can see the air going out through the windpipe and then through our nostril. This air going out, actually it contains more carbon dioxide than the air which we breathe in. While the air which we breathe in will contain more oxygen. So this was the process of the respiration which we studied today.